Good afternoon, everybody. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. Today we are taking a fall color tour. Look at that up there. We figured we would take you on a journey today and see what some of the great things and sights of Michigan are. And we have some really beautiful trees this time of year and some fall colors. And this video is dedicated to a friend of ours who was visiting recently. I'm sure you know who you are. This one's for you. We're gonna see even better than this coming up. We're gonna go to where the colors are intense and bright and beautiful. Along the way we'll see some beautiful farm scenes and incredible colors. Later on these curves there's some blazing reds and oranges. Look at that. We'll probably stop in some scenic little turnouts and drives. Get you some good scenery. Now there's some beauty. There's sometimes some elk down in this area. Oh, we got some weeds in the way. Sometimes we get some elk down here. They're in there. That little bunch of trees is loaded with color. Look at that. Bright reds. Well, the sun was gone for a while, but it's back. And we got some pretty scenes up here. We're going up into some hills. We're looking for a beautiful scenic overlook somewhere, eventually. It's gonna be pretty, because the whole forest looks like this now. There we got a little bit of a view. I wonder if you can catch that to the right. Can you get that? Mm-hmm. We're gonna get a little bit of the view. Zoom in on that a little. Well guys, we're over on the west a little further and there's hardly any colors. I think we're gonna have peak colors. You can see just starting to come on some of these trees. I think we'll get peak colors in another couple weeks here. Out by us is peak right now, and it'll be ended soon. Now we're getting back into home zone. Actually, we're only, what are we, 15 miles away from where we just were.
Yep.
This is what we came for. Look at that, guys. Look at those colors. The sun is full out. Right to our backs, shining on the trees. It is really pretty. Look at this little tiny one, just glowing with different colors. I like that. A little bit of color along here.
Thanks. You're looking down, you can see too.
The sun is out in full. It's perfect right now. See, out here the colors are nearing their peak. Yeah. Some are turning brown. This is about as good as it's going to get right in this area.
It's a beautiful
Can you
color.
zoom?
barn in it.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Oh
There's
wow,
right there.
that is absolutely beautiful.
I hope it's going to be okay with those
It's
irrigation things in the way.
good, you can erase it.
Well, guys, we hope you enjoyed our little fall color tour. There's some really nice, vibrant colors. In closing, please do like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see what tomorrow brings. This is Troy and Melanie and Michelle from beautiful northern Michigan. Talk to y'all later.
Bye.
Look at the size of that moon. That is the absolute biggest I've ever seen. Wow. Look at the size of that.
That is huge.
Zoom in. How far will that thing go? Look at the size of that. That is just incredible. Oh, there's a little cloud coming over. Wow, look at that. That is huge. Well, that was just a neat little bonus clip. In closing, for those of you who stuck around, now we can say good night.